morning to everyone. My name is Moksanath Reddy. Today I am explaining example number 9, implementation of hash table with collision resolution techniques. Objective is to implement hash with collision resolution technique with the function of inserting and searching and displaying. The description of this experiment is hashing allows user to insert or delete and find the records in constant average time. It determines the position of the key in the array. Assume hash table size is n. Function f of x maps any key x to an integer between 0 to n minus 1. For example, assume that n is equal to 15. That key x is a non-negative integer between 0 to max int, and the hash function f of x is equal to x percentage 15. Then and now observe this table and now see the pseudocode. This implementation we'll see in the VS Code execution. See here, this code is done in Python programming, demonstrating how a hash table works, linear, probable, and collision resolution. A hash table is a data structure that stores data in a key value form for fast insertion and searching, as we learn in the description. The program begins by creating a class name called hash table. When an object is created, the constructor init initializes self.size is the size of the hash table, and self.table is list initialized with -1. For example, if size is equal to 5, next insertion function. The insertion method inserts a value into the hash table step by step. First, the hash position is calculated using the hash function. This ensures the value is mapped within the table size. If the calculated position is empty, -1 stores the value directly. If the slot is occupied and collision occurs, the program prints a message and uses the linear probable, which means create the next index, continue until an empty slot is found. If the entire table is scanned, insertion is not possible. And now we'll do the display function of hash table. The display function method prints the entire hash table in a readable manner. And next we define the search function. The search function searches for a given element. It calculates the hash index. If the value is at the index, return to index. Otherwise, linear probing is used to keep searching in the next position. If found, return index. If -1 or full cycle complete, then goes to element not present, return 1. And here now you are seeing the main program. Creates a hash table of size 5. Insert some random variables like 25, 35, 15, 20, 30. Displays the hash table, such as for 15 present and 99 not present. This case shows basic insertion displays as option. Now we'll execute the program and we'll see the output. Now you can see the output case 1 and hash table with contents index 0, 30, and here they searched for 29 and 35. And that's it for this today's video.